this video, we're going to cook some marinated lamb cutlets over the fire. Now I've got 10 beautiful lamb cutlets here, and I'm just going to get started by trimming any excess fat off. And once your lamb cutlets are trimmed up, you want to go ahead and get them in a bowl. And now we're going to get started on our marinade. This one's super easy but full of flavour. Into a bowl, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then we're going to chop around a tablespoon worth of fresh rosemary leaves. And that's going to go into our bowl. And then we're going to finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. That's also going to go into our bowl. And then the zest from 1 lemon, then a good pinch of salt and cracked black pepper. And now we'll give that a good mix. And then we can add that marinade to our lamb cutlets and we'll give them a really good mix. And then we'll cover our bowl in cling wrap and let these lamb cutlets marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. And then once your lamb cutlets have had at least 1 hour marinating, you can get them over an open fire. I'm just going to cook these for a few minutes each side until they are done. I'm also just going to leave a little bit of negative space on the grill where there's no open flame underneath our lamb cutlets, just in case we get any flare-ups and I need to move the lamb over. And after about 8 minutes, we've got some beautifully cooked lamb, so we're just going to take this off and transfer it to a plate. And now we're going to let those rest for a few minutes before we get stuck into them. And I'm simply just going to finish them off with a squeeze of lemon juice. So tasty, super easy. Definitely give this one a try.